Welcome back, dear students. So today we'll take only one problem. I'm taking from exercise 3b, question number 7. Okay, so there is a similar question in the very same exercise and the question number is 8. Okay, so 8 you will try by yourself. Okay, so here let's understand the question. Question says, find the square root of 7 correct to 2 decimal places. So that's my first question. Next part says, then use it. That means use the value of square root of 7 in order to evaluate this entire expression correct to 3 significant digits. I hope the question is clear to you. Okay, so the first question is you need to find the square root of 7 correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's do that first. So you need to find firstly, or okay, so let's say firstly we find square root of 7. That's what they're asking us to find, isn't it? So let's make use of, see, we have to find correct to 2 decimal places. In such case, you need to find square root always using division method. Okay, so correct up to 2 decimal places means we'll put a decimal and we'll put how many zeros? 4 zeros, because we want 2 decimal places and double of 2 is 4. So that's why after decimal there should be 4 digits and pair them up. Okay, now let's divide. So you know we have, if you see the table, we have, if you want to divide 7, you have to do 2 into 2. 3 into 3 becomes 9, which is greater than 7. So you have to do 2 into 2. So if I do that, it becomes 2 to the 4. So when you subtract, you get 3 and you need to add 2 here. This is 4, isn't it? So these 2 comes here. Yes. So 7, let's try. So 7 sevens are 49, carried over 4. 7 fours are 28 plus 4 is 32. So it's more, right? So you cannot put 7 here. So, oh, by the way, we have reached decimal also. So put decimal out here. So 7 cannot be put, as you see, right? So let's put 6 then. So 6 6 are 36, right? Carried over 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay, so let's subtract and see. So this is 4, so this is 24, isn't it? So 2 more zeros are there, so let me get them down. Okay, so how many times shall I try? 5 times. Let's see. If I do 5 times, so 5 6 are 30, carried over 3. 5 4s, just wait a minute. Oh, just wait a minute, I did not add here, right? So first let's add. So when you add, you get 52, right? Okay, now how many times? If I do 5 times, 5 5s are 25, that means I get more. So let's try 4 times. Okay, so if I do 4 times, 4 4s are 16, carried over 1. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 5s are 20. So that means exactly you can divide 4 times. Okay, so let's subtract. So after decimal we got exactly 2 digits here. So no need to add here anything. Okay, so this is okay. So find the remainder by yourself. It's not necessary also. I am just interested with the quotient, isn't it? Okay, so we got, therefore, using division method, we showed that square root of 7 is equals to, root over 7 is equals to 2.64. Okay, now question says use it, that we use this value of root 7 in order to evaluate this correct to 3 significant digits. Now there is this thing given to you. Okay, so 4 plus root 7 divided by 4 minus root 7. Now in such case we do something called rationalization. So basically rationalization, in rationalization we make use of formula a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Okay, now we always rationalize denominator. Okay, so when you rationalize denominator, it becomes a minus b. So for that, for a minus b, I need to multiply with a plus b. So if I do that, So not only to the denominator, see in the denominator we have 4 minus root 7. So this is a minus b. So we'll multiply with a plus b. Okay, now that's okay. But in the numerator we have 4 plus root 7 already. Now since you are multiplying with this quantity in the denominator, you have to multiply numerator also with the same quantity. Okay, so you cannot multiply only denominator, you have to multiply numerator as well. Now observe here carefully. This is 4 plus root 7 into 4 plus root 7. Both of them look same, right? So if you call this as a and this as a, so a into a is a square. So that's why I am writing this as 4 root 7 whole square divided by this a minus b into a plus b, which is a square. A square means 4 square minus b square. B is root 7 square, right? Okay, so let's simplify this. So we have 4 plus root 7 whole square. Now this 16 minus root 7 square is just 7. Okay, now 16 minus 7 is 9, isn't it? So let me write it here. Okay, so we have, this is how much? This is square root of, so 4 plus root 7 whole square by 16 minus 7 is 9, isn't it? Now the square root of, see, square root of this quantity becomes just 4 plus root 7. Okay, square root of this quantity, because square is there, no? So square root and square gets cancelled. You get only this quantity divided by, in the denominator, square root of 9 becomes 3. Okay, so this is my simplified version of this. That means this is equal to this much. Now let's put the value of root 7, which is 2.64. Okay, so 4 plus 2.64 divided by 3. So add these two, you get 6.64 divided by 3. Okay, so let's divide this and write our answer in 3 significant digits. So we have 664. So let's write this way. Okay, so with 3 you are dividing, so 3 2s are 6. So again this 6 comes down, 3 2s are 6. So this 4 comes down, 3 how many times? 1. So 3 1s are 3. So again 1. So again when you put decimal it becomes 0. So it becomes 3 3s are 9. I'm sorry, 3 3s are 9. So you get 1. Again it continues, right? Okay, so when you divide 664 by 3 you get 221.3, but we already have 2 decimal before 2 digits. So including this we had to put decimal out here. So that means this will be equals to 2.213. Okay, I hope you are able to divide, or else you can do this also. 664 divided by 300. Make it this way. Divide this by this and convert into decimal. You get exactly 2.213 in 3 significant digits. Okay, so forget about this. And we'll copy only this much. Okay, so this is your final answer. Basically there are 2 answers. One is this answer, another is this answer. Okay, so with this we close for the day. You may pause the video and note down your solution, and do not forget to do question number 8. Thank you very much.